Hello everyone and welcome to another stuff unboxing. Today Acer has sent us something to unbox. We're not too sure what it is. Let's find out. Okay, it appears to be some sort of computing device. On the right here we've got the charger. This is a 65 watt charger with a USB-C connection. You always like to see that, although it is expected at this point. South African 3-prong plug, also nice. Also expected. We've got some recyclable cardboard packaging. That's good to see, Acer. There's no plastics here. Okay, here we go. The laptop, although in this case it's not a laptop, but a Chromebook. It is made of metal, but not chrome. We wonder why that is. Wow. Fancy. It turns on automatically. And now, with the magic of editing, we will sign in automatically. Wow, pretty fast. That's probably thanks to the i5-1135G7 processor and 8 gigs of RAM. This one also comes with 256 gigs of SSD storage. None of that eMMC memory here. Although it is a Chromebook, which means it's running Chrome OS, not Windows or Linux. That means that you'll need to be online at all times, and you probably won't be saving too many things to the device itself. This is the Acer Chromebook Spin 713, and if you're wondering where the spin comes from, it's because it can do that. Now it's a tablet. And when you don't want it to be a tablet, it can be a laptop. Now it's closed. On the right side, we've got the volume rocker power button, SD card reader, and a USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 1 port. On the other side, we've got two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a full-size HDMI port, and a headphone and microphone combo jack. On the rear, we've just got the vents for cooling. The other notable feature of this device is the display. This one features an Ips Lcd display with a resolution of 2256 by 1504. That gives it the 3:2 aspect ratio, which will make documents look slightly better. There's more screen space in the vertical direction. As far as keyboards go, this one doesn't feel too bad. So, first impressions, not bad. For a more in-depth look, keep your eye on our site for a full review. Thanks, Acer!